Let's do exercise 2b and exercise 2d on page 186. 2b looks like this. We have this arithmetic sequence 7, 9, 11, etc. We're gonna write down the term indicated in square brackets for each other. Okay, so they want to know the 30th term. This is the first one, this is the second, this is the third. Remember, the first one, we call that, the first term, we call it U1. The second one we call U2, and the third one U3, etc. And they would like to know what U30 is. Remember the general formula for an arithmetic sequence. UN is equal to first the U1, the first term, plus within brackets n minus 1 times d, which is the common difference, the distance between any pair, consecutive pair. So for example, between 7 and 9 we're increasing by 2. Between 9 and 11 we're increasing by 2. So a formal way to calculate d would be to take any number, any term, for example 9, and then take minus the term before that. So 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. And then of course U1 we know already is the first term, and it's 7. So now we have the d, or the common difference, it's 2, and we have the first term U1, which is 7. So let's use this formula, this general formula. So U30 in this case, that's what they want to know, would be U30 is equal to U1, which is 7, plus within brackets n, which is 30, minus 1 in bracket, and then times d, and d was 2 in this case. Let's continue. 7 plus, let's evaluate this bracket, 30 minus 1 is 29 times 2 is equal to 7, plus 29 times 2 is 58. 7 plus 58 is equal to 65. So the answer is the 30th term in this exercise, in this arithmetic sequence, is 65. Now let's do exercise 2d. Actually, we can leave this. 2d looks like this. We have the sequence minus 6, minus 11, minus 16, etc. So what is U1? U1 is minus 6, that's the first term. What's the common difference? Well, it's decreasing by, it's going from minus 6 to minus 11, so it's minus 5. From minus 11 to minus 16 is minus 5. So for example, minus 11 this term minus the one before, minus 6 is equal to minus 11, minus 6 is plus 6 is equal to minus 5. Now we have d, which is minus 5, and we have u1, which is minus 6. So let's use this in this formula. So they would like to know the 12th term. So in this case, u12 is equal to u1, which is minus 6 in this case, plus within bracket n, which is 12, minus 1 times d, which is minus 5. I'm going to write negative numbers within brackets. Minus 6, just write it out, plus 12 minus 1 is 11. So 11 times minus 5. Minus 6, just write it out, plus 11 times minus 5 is minus 55. So plus minus minus 55 is minus 55. Minus 6 minus 55 is minus 61. So the 12th term in this arithmetic sequence is minus 61.